imagine this. You have created an amazing song. The song is ready, but now comes the difficult part. How do you create a music video? A professional camera, crew, actors, locations, lighting, and editing can cost thousands of dollars. But what if I told you that you could use AI to turn your song into visual music video without shooting an entire music video from scratch? Today we are going to test exactly that video. This is Sondo AI. Sondo is an AI powered platform built around music and visual content creation. It allows you to combine your music with AI generated visual to create music video. And the interesting part is that it is not simply approaching this like a random text to video tool. Its focus is especially on music video creation. So let's see how it actually works. Before we continue, just a quick note, this video is for informational and educational purpose. Features and policies of AI platforms can change over time. So always check Sondo's official website and current policies for the latest information. I am going to use a song and see how Sondo can turn it into a visual experience. First, I will add my music. Now I need to decide on the visual direction of the video. I want the video to feel cinematic with a dark atmosphere, a strong central character, and visual that match the overall mood of the song. The concept is ready. Let's generate it.
I can't let go of this feeling now. Every shadow fades away. I find my way back to you.
Now we come to another important part, character consistency. One common problem with AI generated videos is that the character can look different from one scene to another. The face might change, the clothes might change, or the entire appearance can look inconsistent. Sondo's character focused workflow is designed around creating reusable AI character that can be used across visual projects. So instead of creating a character for just one shoot, you can develop a consistent visual identity that can be used throughout your project. Now I have set the character, environment, and visual style. Sondo can use these instructions together with the music to generate the visual content. But there is one thing I really want to find out. Do the visuals actually feel connected to the song? Because generating an AI video is the easy part. Creating visuals that actually feels connected to the music, that's the real challenge. Okay, this is actually pretty interesting. We are getting a cinematic visuals with the character, environment, and overall mood moving in the same direction, and that's exactly what matters in a music video. You don't just need a beautiful AI clip, you need visuals that represent the music visually.
I can't let go of this feeling now. I am breaking inside.
Now imagine you are an independent musician. You have released your song on Spotify, but releasing the song is only the beginning. You need visual content for YouTube, short clips for Instagram Reels, content for TikTok, and promotional videos for your social media campaigns. In other words, one song can require multiple pieces of content, and AI music video tools can make this process much more visual scalable. You can take one song and imagine completely different visuals formats for different platforms. For example, a full-length music video for YouTube, vertical clips for Instagram and TikTok, and short visual movements for promotional campaigns. Sondo's official material also highlight workflows around creating AI videos for Spotify songs and producing reusable visual content for different platforms. So instead of thinking, I need to make one music video, you can start thinking, I need to create multiple visual assets for one song. But Sondo's potential use causes are not limited to existing musicians. Here is another interesting possibility, visual idols. Imagine a completely digital artist, their own character, their own visual identity, their own music, and their own music videos. You could create a recognizable character and use that character consistently across different music and performance content. Basically, you are not just creating a video, you are building a digital artist. But there is an important lesson here. If you are creating an AI music video, simply writing make a cool cinematic music video probably is not enough. You need to provide clear visual direction. What should the character look like? What should the environment look like? How should the camera move? And what mood should the lighting look like? What video style are you going for? And what is actually happening in the scene? Sondo's own promoting guide also emphasizes elements such as character design, cinematic camera directions, visual styles, and storytelling. So better prompts usually mean better visual direction. Now there is one thing creators should always check before uploading their content to any AI platform. According to the Sando's current privacy policy, users may provide inputs such as prompt, lyrics, images, audio, video clips, and voice samples. Sondo also states that private project files, original video recordings, voice print features, and personal voice models will not be used to train public foundation models without separate express consent, subject to applicable law. So, if you are uploading original music or video recording, it's always worth reading the policy yourself before getting started. So, overall, looking at Sondo's AI as just another AI video generator would be a little limiting. The bigger idea is turning music into visual content. Whether you are an independent musician, a content creator, someone experimenting with visual character, or simply someone who wants to create videos for a song, AI can become another tool in your creative production workflow. This video is created for educational, informational, and review purpose only. Features, pricing, credits, availability, and other details shown in this video may change over time. Before making any purchase or subscription decision, please visit the official Sondo AI website and verify the latest information about pricing. So, what did we see? We turned a song into a visual project, we set the character and visual direction, we generated AI powered scenes, and we explored how one music project can lead to multiple content possibilities. Of course, AI generated videos is not a perfect replacement for every professional production, but if you are looking for speed, experimentation, and scalable visual content creation, this workflow is definitely interesting. If you are a musician and want to experimenting with AI music video, Sondo AI is definitely worth checking in. And if you want to create a complete music video in Sondo next time, starting with a brand new song and going through the entire process step by step, then comment Sondo and I will make the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video.